Please note that the expiry of your eSIM data package is dependent on 1. The validity of your eSIM, 2. The speed at which your data is consumed. The validity of your eSIM starts when it is activated. Some eSIMs are activated once it connects to the network at the destination, and others activate immediately at the time of installation. Every eSIM is different, and you will need to check your specific eSIM's activation policy in order to be better informed on when you should install your eSIM. Here's how you can access your eSIM's activation policy information. 1. Search for the country that you need the data for. 2. Select the preferred eSIM. 3. Scroll down to the Additional Information segment. 4. Tap on Show More. 5. The information can be found under Activation Policy. If the policy reads as, the validity period starts when the eSIM connects to any supported network, it means that you can proceed to install your eSIM in advance, as the plan will only be activated upon arrival at your destination. If policy reads as, the validity period starts at the installation, it means that you should consider installing your eSIM closer to your departure or at the destination itself to ensure that you avoid shortening length of days you are able to use your eSIM for. Airalo provides data packages with differing validity periods and data sizes. For example, 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, etc. The range of options are all dependent on the country or region. Please note that your data package can expire earlier if you consume your data balance before the end of your validity period. You can check the usage and expiry details of your eSIM's data package, as well as the available top-up options, by following these steps. 1. Go to My eSIMs. 2. Select your eSIM and tap on Details. 3. To view how much data you currently have, scroll down to Data Usage. 4. To view the expiry details of your current data packages, scroll down to My Packages. 5. To view the available top-up options, scroll down to Buy Top-Up Packages. For more information on top-ups, please check out this video. If you still have any questions, please contact support@airalo.com.